The suitcase clicks shut. It's still dark outside. The app buzzes. Gate changed. First international flight? Nerves are normal, but you don't have to learn the hard way. In the next few minutes, I'll hand you the 2025 playbook, from home prep to check-in, security, immigration, arrival, and that ride to your hotel, so the day feels calm, fast, and predictable. If this helps, subscribe and turn on the bell. More time and money-saving updates are coming. Leave home with a plan. For international flights, arrive 3 to 4 hours early. Take the full 4 in busy periods. Print or save offline copies of everything. Passport photo page, tickets, hotel, transfers, approval emails. Drop a pen in your pouch. Some places still love forms. Tell your bank you're traveling and enable transaction alerts. 1 hour from now, when airport Wi-Fi stalls, your screenshots won't. Avoid visa surprises. Check whether you need a visa or ETA, proof of onward travel, or extra passport validity. Often 3 to 6 months. Some countries want proof of funds or travel insurance. Put every document, digital and paper, into one folder you can grab in seconds. Pack smart, not just light. Liquids follow the 100 milliliter 3.4 ounce rule in a clear bag. Some scanners allow exceptions, but policies vary. Read the signs at your checkpoint. Keep medicines and special items in carry-on with original labels and prescriptions. Power banks live in carry-on only. High-capacity units may require airline approval. Slip a Bluetooth tracker inside your checked bag so you can see where it is, even when you can't. At the terminal, walk straight to your airline's check-in zone. While you queue, open your passport to the photo page and keep your booking code ready. If staff hand out forms, fill them immediately. Writing on a counter beats writing at the podium. Check in like a pro. Present passport, required visas or ETAs, and your itinerary. Confirm your gate and boarding time. Photograph the bag tag receipt. If anything is missing, document, payment, form, solve it before you leave the counter. Future, you avoids a sprint back. Security is a solved puzzle. Empty your pockets before you reach the bins. Keep passport and boarding pass together. Put permitted liquids in a clear bag unless signage says otherwise. Laptops and tablets follow the local rule. Some lanes let them stay in the bag. Quick wipe of the tray, belt back on, move on. 2 calm minutes here, save 15 later. Some countries have exit controls or interviews, others don't. Typical asks who you're traveling with, length of stay, where you'll stay, purpose, and proof you'll leave. Answer clearly, show the documents, and let your folder do the talking. No speech is needed. Find your gate first, then explore. Big terminals eat time. Walk to the gate, check the screen at that gate, then grab food. Set a silent reminder to be back 10 minutes before boarding, not departure. Keep notifications on for gate changes. Board with purpose. If overhead space matters, be ready to enter early within your group. Want a fast exit after landing? Choose an aisle near the front. When they call you, board calmly. Stow once, sit once. In flight, hydrate. Keep a small anti-chaos kit in your seat pocket. Wired earbuds, short cable, power bank, pen, tissues, a zip bag. Every hour or two, stretch lightly. Your body will thank you at immigration. On arrival, follow arrivals and immigration signs. Keep passport, visa or ETA, hotel address, and return or onward ticket handy. Questions rarely change. Purpose, length of stay, where you're staying, how you'll pay for it. Answer simply and match your documents. Use e-gates if available. Random checks can still happen. At baggage claim, check the carousel screen and open your tracker app while you wait. If your bag doesn't appear within a reasonable window, go to the airline's baggage desk inside the claim area, before customs. File a report, get the reference number, provide your delivery address, and ask about essentials reimbursement. Keep every receipt. Customs is simple if you choose the right lane. Green means nothing to declare. Red means goods to declare. Triggers often include high-value electronics, restricted foods, large cash, or quantities beyond personal use. When in doubt, declare briefly. A 1-minute chat beats a long inspection. Sort money and connectivity the smart way. Decline charge in your home currency at card terminals. Pay in local currency and let your bank convert. Use bank ATMs inside the terminal for small withdrawals. Install an eSIM before you fly and activate on arrival. Download offline maps and translation packs at home. Save a screenshot of your hotel address in the local language. Showing it to a driver saves 5 minutes of guessing. Don't overpay for the ride. Check the airport's official transport page for rail or metro. authorized taxis, rideshare pickup zones, and fixed fare kiosks. Use official taxi queues. For rideshare, meet only in the designated area and confirm the plate and driver name before loading bags. Keep small bills for tolls or parking. If things go sideways, breathe. If your itinerary is on one ticket and you miss a connection, head to the transfer desk. The airline should rebook you on the next available flight. Separate tickets mean separate trips. Build bigger buffers and keep a backup option in mind. For long delays or overnights, ask about meal or hotel vouchers and keep receipts. If your bag is delayed, request delivery to your lodging. Final checks before you step outside. Screenshot your hotel name, address in the local language, and check-in instructions. Message family or a friend with your flight number and lodging. Zip your passport away before leaving the terminal. Hydrate and clean your hands after carts and rails. Set an alarm so jet lag doesn't win. International travel looks complicated until you follow the pattern. Arrive early, keep documents tight, solve security like a routine, answer immigration clearly, and land with a plan for money, data, and transport. Use this once and you'll feel the difference on every trip after. If this helped, subscribe, turn on the bell, like, and share it with someone flying soon. Next up, how to win when your flight is delayed or your gate changes, plus the exact phrases I use with support. Safe travels.